Happy Sunday afternoon, everybody. We're here in our garden. We are harvesting some sweet banana peppers. So this is a short video on how I harvest my banana peppers, and this tip also goes for all kinds of peppers. These are the sweet banana peppers that I have harvested so far. Look at that. They're good size banana peppers, super yummy. I can just snack on this. These are so sweet and crunchy. And this came from these plants right here. So as you can see, we don't have the yellow ones. Actually, I'm seeing one over there that I missed. But that's okay. I'm gonna go back to that later. I am on this side now, where you see those yellow ones. Those are the banana peppers that are ready for harvest. If they are still green like these ones right here, those are not ready yet. We have some in here that also are not ready, but when they turn yellow like this, they are ready for harvest. Now this one, see that one, light yellow, this one is perfect. Some people will just pinch this off, but since pepper plants are very easy to break, I don't want to risk it. So what I do is I grab me a pair of scissors or pruners, and then let's see here, let's have a close-up. Oh, there's a leaf. Okay, can you see that? And I just cut it with my pruner. So yeah, it's easy. You need both hands though, because you have to hold the pepper with one hand and then the pruner on the other hand, because you don't want it to fall on the ground. This one I just let it fall because I am holding my camera with my left hand. So with this next one right here, let's just snip this off. Whoops, okay. There's one. And there's another one. Okay, let's pick them up. Okay, so we get 3 here. I know there's some grass clippings because we mowed the yard yesterday. Okay, so let's go to the next plant. This one right here, they're actually very pretty. So here we have 2 that are ready. Okay, cut it. And the next one. Okay, so oops. All right. So that's actually very easy, guys, and then we'll just continue on harvesting the rest of this banana peppers. So I'll show you one problem here. This tip has been touching the fabric, and this weed fabric gets very hot, so it got burned. So this too, the tips were burned. Not that's from the heat. That's not blossom and rot. It's just from the heat. And then we have the ones in there that are also ready for harvest. So it looks like we are getting a good harvest of banana peppers today. That was a very quick harvest, guys, and I'm gonna show you what we have right here. Look at this. Ta-da! Very nice, very yummy, sweet banana peppers. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Happy gardening!